Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Back there we have Alex. You guys seen him? This is Beans. I don't know if you guys met him, but that's his name from birth, Beans. But today there's a auto show in Portland, the Portland Auto Show. So I figured go out there, give you guys some footage, some cars, maybe do some pictures, I don't know. But so that's where we're headed to right now. Maybe post this video tomorrow, I'm not sure, but stay tuned and hope you guys like the video. Also, if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because we got a lot of videos coming soon with anything, with semi trucks, bikes, cars, boats, whatever you want. As long as it has an engine, it's gonna be on this channel. And the new slogan is, what is it, Alex?
Everything motor.
Hell yeah. SpeedGarage, everything motor, because that's what this channel's about, everything motor.
We'll have some bikes on here.
Yeah, anything. So hit that subscribe button and hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it's wide enough.
This is the wider.
Look at the wing on this thing, dude.
Yeah.
It's like a dinner table.
These things are actually really fun.
Like DDs, or you can step on it and it'll be strong. I haven't tried. Did you want to try?
Yeah, you got a fix. What about the other guy? I have no idea. That guy too. Yeah, that was the thing.
Pretty interesting, yeah. Zombie. What do you think, Beans? V8. Yeah, I don't like this. Where was that car from?
Fastest car.
Fastest car?
Yeah, tell them.
They seem that you can explain it to them.
So this car was on the show Fastest Car on Netflix, and it was wrecked. He hit another car, and it's here, rebuilt. So that's awesome. Met the guy, super cool.
Yeah.
So.
And it has like what, 500 horsepower?
So it goes 0 to 60 in 1.3 seconds on the track. So Bugatti got nothing on this car.
miles, 85 miles per hour, 15.5. What do you think? You gonna buy it?
Thinking about it. On my lap.
you think of
I
it?
could picture myself whipping this around town.
Solo, see? By yourself.
I wonder how the sound system is in here.
Sound system?
Yeah.
All you're gonna hear is tires.
Any questions for you?
Yeah, what can you tell us about the car?
Fully electric, registered as a motorcycle, so you pay a lot less on registration fees, and you can park it wherever you want to park it, wherever you park the motorcycle. And you get free access on the HOV lanes. So,
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
That's pretty cool.
yeah, perfect for commuting. It's meant to be a commuter car.
Gotcha.
You can take on the HOV. You don't have to have two people in it. It's registered as a motorcycle.
Okay. How much are you guys gonna produce of these?
As many as
You have to order it?
yeah.
Gotcha.
Well, there'll be a dealership opening up in June where you can walk in and actually buy one off the floor.
Gotcha.
Yeah. It's kind of
That's pretty cool.
yeah.
Something interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
Is it one wheel in the back or is there two?
One wheel in the back. Yeah. That's what you use drag for better mileage.
Some donuts on it. You think we'll be able to or no?
It's real power, so yeah, you'll be able to.
That's pretty cool.
What's the speed on it? 0 to
85 miles an hour.
85.
0 to
Oh.
60 in 8 seconds. So it's not super fast, but it's still quick.
For a little car like that.
Yeah. The backlights from here look like the Range Rovers have.
Right?
Yeah.
Totally, yeah.
Awesome.
Alrighty. Well, thank you.
You're welcome. What's the info?
Well, this thing's sick.
You ready to go pick up some girls, Alex?
Yeah, there's no room though. I don't know.
Alright, you can sit on your lap again.
Yeah. Solo.
Dude, this thing is sick. Dima has one? These are sick.
This thing's like jump.
From the
Alright.
middle, right by that Indian, if you stand right there, you can see it the grass. As you go into a corner,
Dang. That's pretty cool.
Wow.
pretty crazy,
So you
right?
can like mop it in the corners actually like.
You can drag a knee, scrape pegs. It'll take just about anything. It won't. That outside wheel will not come off the ground until it's almost completely laid down. So in that case, you got worse problems. There's no motorcycle that's going to carry a line like that. So
Well, with two wheels in it. How much power is this?
it's the MT-09 motor. So it's the 900cc inline 3. That I don't think Yamaha released a horsepower rating on them, but it's probably somewhere in the 70 to 80 range.
Definitely looks pretty cool.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun to ride.
Yeah. I'll have to test ride one of these days.
We got one more test riding at the shop, so if you're in
Oh, really?
Beaverton, swing by. Yeah.
Is that where you work at, Beaverton? Oh, yeah. What's your name?
My name's Matt.
Andre. Nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you. Nice to meet you.
I'll have to come visit you and check it out.
Yeah, if you haven't been in the showroom before, we had a lot of motorcycles and a big showroom there. So a
Awesome.
lot of time just talking about bikes and having fun.
Hey, bikes are fun.
Yes,
Yeah.
they are.
Aprilia.
These are it's light.
Light?
Yeah.
It's really small. Or it looks small. Yeah. What do you think, Beans?
I think we have fun ride.
No, it's okay.
Super light. Maybe just don't sit on a bike a while.
Depends who you ask.
Check out the interior.
Oh, the interior is pretty sick on it.
Yeah.
Rebel.
They outdid it this one. Wow. Oh, dude, this is actually pretty sick.
Pretty comfortable.
Wow, yes, very. Very comfortable.
Upgraded interior.
Look at this big, like, box right here.
Smells like weed in there. Someone was probably getting high on the way here. Because they're a rebel. This looks from the back. Yeah, so gay.
38 grand.
38 grand. Tell them about it.
Okay, it's green.
It's
Sick
green.
looking. It's an American muscle.
56.
Oh, 56. But base price.
Yeah, that's kind of what I paid for mine. Well, this is a scat pack, so you can get them. According to them, you can get them in a scat pack, not just a Hellcat wide body. So that's pretty cool. Looks pretty interesting too.
I like it.
Yeah.
Makes it a bigger whale than the other.
They should get a Challenger though in this. I mean Charger. What I want to get.
Those aren't the other ones.
This is what Dan
These
wants.
Are, GX is comfortable. Check them out for sure. Those are my favorites.
Oh, go ahead. I'm just doing just doing a video.
I'll stay out of the way. Good.
When are these coming out?
Second quarter of this year.
So in like
Spring, early summer.
spring or early summer. And what are they starting out price wise?
We don't have a price yet.
Can you make one up?
No. Sorry.
Because I heard it's gonna be in the 50s, but true or not, I don't know.
Good guess. Couldn't tell you.
And I'm not buying one.
Time in about 30 seconds, like that. Okay.
I want it. Excuse us.
Hey, can I be in your vlog?
Let's do it. I'm just trying to look at this new Gladiator.
You guys hear the whole gang?
Just us three.
Just making
Yeah. Just like run in there. Yeah. It looks exactly. What's up, man? How's it going, man?
Good to see you.
You too.
No, I'm saying the type.
Oh, 720. No, I think that's a 570. This is a 720.
That one is so much bigger.
Oh, 600 LT, that one. And this is, yeah, this one's a 720. I feel like the fastest car.
There's a place up in Bellevue where you can rent.
That looks sick. This is sick. This makes me want to make kids to buy one.
This yours, like,
got the piece of the paper onto the floor. I can feel it. I did the car.
three? Oh, I thought it was 350.
Oh no. Green inserts.
Super sports. Looks pretty sick, dude.
Yeah. These things are so bad.
It's like they brought like their best like edition ones. And that Bentiaga.
Nah.
This one's like the lowest class, I think. I like the bumpers and stuff though.
The Dodge interior is so much better.
Oh, that's the 6-step tailgate that
yeah.
I always see on commercials.
Yep.
Yeah.
Everyone's carrying the tailgate.
Yeah.
You can see it, that's the point, right? I don't want anyone to see it.
That's pretty cool though. So, how much? Porsche. One right there. Just like Mikey's, dude. Beans, time for you to upgrade. GTR. Sell your E63 and get it. One day.
Beautiful carbon everywhere.
You sick.
I said you think this front end will bolt onto yours?
Oh my.
Oh yeah, 100%. Because if not, we should make it. That's sick.
Looks pretty. Alrighty, so we just finished up with Portland Auto Show here, and it was alright. I mean, there was a couple cool cars, the exotics, the 720, the
Lamborghini Aventador.
the Aventador, yeah, the 600 LT. Those were cool. The rest were just like, obviously that's what the show is for, just basic cars at the show, you know, advertisement and whatnot. But it was cool. So we're gonna wrap it up here. You guys hit that subscribe button, and oh yeah,
We're super hungry.
Beans is hungry.
Hungry.
He's in there somewhere. He's hangry.
Yeah.
We're gonna go get some food. PCG. If you guys are local, you'll know. If not, you don't know. But anyways, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.
Peace.